Sagittarius Lagna and the fourth house. The fourth house of Sagittarius Lagna falls in Pisces, the 12th sign from the Kalapurusha. The 12th sign from the Kalapurusha is considered to be the Moksha sign. In other words, Pisces is considered to be a sign of satisfaction, and the Bhava that is associated with this sign is satisfied with the Karatattvas of that Bhava. Since the Sagittarius Lagna people, Pisces is the fourth house of material and emotional wealth. The native finds happiness and contentment in both material and emotional wealth. We should remember that Jupiter is the lord of the Lagna and the lord of the fourth house. As a Lagna lord, Jupiter is considered to be strict with himself, and he is content with the emotional and material wealth that life has given to this native. Malefic planets push the native to achieve more in form of emotional and material wealth, whereas benefic planets make the native happy with what life has given him. Rahu will make the native move away from motherland, and success will depend on Jupiter's placement. Ketu will make the native strong and accept the life's internal goals. Mother for Sagittarius Lagna will be soft-spoken, kind, helpful. Now, let us look at this chart. Jupiter is the fourth lord placed in the eighth bhava. The fourth lord is associated with Ketu. Moon is associated with Jupiter, the fourth lord. Jupiter aspects the fourth house as well as Ketu. In the Navamsha, fourth lord Jupiter is placed in the 12th Rashi with Moon in the Navamsha of Scorpio. Scorpio is ruled by Mars. Mars in turn is placed in the 12th Rashi from the Sagittarius Lagna. Ketu in the fourth house will make the native strong and will accept the life changes. Jupiter's aspect on the fourth house makes the native accept the changes or will give positive changes in the life cycle of material and emotional wealth, education and properties. Jupiter's influenced with Moon also satisfies the parameter that the life of the native will be smooth or the changes will be to the positive. We look at changes because both Jupiter as Lagna Lord and as fourth Lord is placed in the 8th Bhava from the Lagna. Now, let us look at the Karatattvas of the fourth house. Ketu is mother, fourth house, fourth lord Moon. Ketu is in the fourth, therefore you will get a religious, soft-spoken mother. A kind mother which will allow the native to work in their own speed. Ketu Rahu axis may show separation with mother or motherland, but since Jupiter is aspecting the same, the event may not take place unless the Dasha Bhuktis are not favorable. Properties, fourth house, fourth lord Mars. Jupiter aspects the fourth house of properties, thus sanction of properties is there. As Ketu is involved, it may show delay. As Mars is placed in the 12th house, again it may show delay or changes in the property. But since the 9th lord Sun and the 7th lord Mercury is involved with the Mars in the 12th house, the native is therefore will be influenced by father and or husband or partner to make it happen for the native to own properties. Dashabhuktis plays a very important part in acquiring properties, education, vehicles, and use of them. Now let us look at vehicles. Fourth house, fourth lord Venus. There are definitely benefic influences in the fourth house, as we have already seen. Venus is placed in the 11th. Thus, the native will have vehicles and will use the vehicles. Now, let us look at education. Fourth house, fourth lord. Influence of malefic planets or benefic planets. In this chart, the fourth house is blessed with Jupiter, which is not only the fourth lord but also a benefic. The fourth lord Jupiter and the benefic Jupiter is conjoined with moon. There are no malefic aspects in the fourth house except that the Ketu is placed in the fourth house. The native may have had changes of thoughts of what to take, or she may be in a dilemma as to what subject to opt for. But at the end of the fourth house, the decision will be for soft courses. Since Ketu is placed in the fourth house, the native has a dilemma. Otherwise, the native, if Ketu was not there and it was a straight chart, then the native would not have had any dilemmas as to what course she or he should opt for. Thank you for watching my program, and if you like my video, do like and subscribe. You can follow me at G3 for more videos to come. Have a pleasant day. Goodbye.